Hi everyone. Today is Fluffy Itty Bitty Kitty time. It's our first video ever made, and today we are going to be testing out a cat product. The catnip toy shark, made by Pet Souvenir. We got it at Provincetown, which is in Massachusetts. So we got our cat at the Seattle Area Feline Rescue, and she loves catnip. So let's open this toy up and see how my cat likes it. I'm going to make sure she doesn't eat all these the stuff on here. So I'll put it over there. And then we have the catnip shark. It's a really cool catnip shark if you look at it. See how my cat likes it. And I guess she's already a fan. So there's the catnip toy. You can get it in Provincetown at Paws and Whiskers. And check out some more videos. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Here's another cat toy I have. Stay tuned for our next video. The grooming and brushing of Itty. Fluffy Itty Bitty Kitty brings more videos to you.